A low oil pressure warning is one of the most critical alerts your vehicle can display. This warning indicates that your engine isn't receiving sufficient lubrication, which can lead to catastrophic damage if ignored. Understanding the primary causes helps you respond appropriately. Low oil level accounts for 40% of cases, making it the most common cause. A faulty oil pressure sensor causes 25% of warnings. If the oil pressure warning light comes on while driving, take immediate action. Safely pull over to the side of the road, turn off the engine immediately, and wait 5 to 10 minutes for the oil to settle back into the oil pan. After the engine has cooled, check the oil level using the dipstick. The oil level should be between the minimum and maximum marks. If the level is low, this is likely the cause of your warning light. Oil condition is equally important as oil level. Black, thick oil indicates an overdue oil change. Metal particles in the oil suggest internal engine wear. A milky appearance indicates coolant contamination, which requires immediate professional attention. Remember, a low oil pressure warning should never be ignored. Taking immediate action and properly assessing the situation can prevent thousands of dollars in engine damage and keep you safely on the road. When facing a low oil pressure warning, systematic troubleshooting is essential. We'll walk through the key diagnostic steps to identify and resolve the issue. First, verify the oil level and quality. Park on level ground and wait for the oil to settle. Check the dipstick to ensure oil is between minimum and maximum marks. Black, thick oil indicates an overdue change, while milky oil suggests coolant contamination. Next, use an OBD scanner to check live data from the oil pressure sensor. Compare the actual pressure readings to what's displayed on your dashboard to identify sensor malfunctions. Inspect all wiring connections for corrosion, shorts, or damage. Damaged wiring can cause false readings and intermittent warning lights. Replace the oil filter if it's overdue or clogged. A dirty filter restricts oil flow and can trigger low-pressure warnings. Always use the correct filter specification for your vehicle. Finally, assess the oil pump by listening for unusual noises and measuring actual oil pressure with a mechanical gauge. Normal pressure should be 10 to 20 psi at idle and 30 to 80 psi at highway speeds. Prevention is key to avoiding oil pressure problems. Following a proper maintenance schedule will keep your engine's oil system healthy and prevent costly repairs. Follow manufacturer recommended oil change intervals, typically every 5,000 to 10,000 miles. Replace the filter with each oil change. Inspect the pressure sensor every 50,000 miles. And consider a system flush every 100,000 miles. Watch for these warning signs: gradual oil pressure decrease over time, engine noise during startup, oil consumption between changes, and unusual exhaust smoke colors. Addressing these early prevents major engine damage. Remember, never ignore an oil pressure warning light. Immediate action and proper maintenance will keep your engine running smoothly and prevent expensive repairs.